everyone. Happy 2022. Happy New Year. Happy New You. Happy new goals. Happy new dreams. Happy new opportunities. Welcome to Life Mastery through Self Mastery. My name is Sharika Swaby, also known as the Mind Reset Strategist. It's a new year, and as I said earlier, so many things are possible, right? All the things that you wanted to do last year are still possible. If you didn't get to them, then they're still possible this year. And if you got to them last year, then there are new heights to be attained. Always new heights to be attained. Someone said perfection is unattainable. So there's always room for improvement. So in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about goal setting, and I'm also going to talk about some of the things, not a lot of the things and not too much detail, but some of the things that I did last year with goal setting. Right? So if you want to create an epic 2022, here are some of my suggestions, right? When setting your goals, make sure you set goals for all areas of your life. So, example, your family life, your financial life, your social life, your religious or spiritual life. Make sure you have a goal for every area so that you can have it all, right? You don't have to be rich and your family suffering. You don't have to be rich and unhealthy. So you want to have goals for every area, not just financial goals. I know people tend to set only financial goals because without money we can't really do anything else, but you still want to set goals for all your areas so that you can achieve success complete in its wholeness, right? Completely. You don't want to be a successful businessman but a crappy father or a crappy mother. You want to try to bring some amount of balance to the table. So when you're setting your goals, make sure you include every single area of your life that you want to improve, what you want to experience, etc. Make sure you know what is important to you, what are your values. That means when you are setting your goals, you can't set your goals based on what other people think you should be doing, right? Your goals must be set based on what you want, what you think is ideal for you, what you want to create, the life you want to live, the things you want for your family, and it must not be according to anyone else, even if you have to look at other people's ideas. But don't just copy their ideas, but make sure what you're doing is in line with the things that are valuable to you, right? And you know what your values are. Now, what's your vision? The vision, the big picture, the end goal, the thing that you want to get to in 5-10 years. What is that thing? The larger vision. What is that? Identify that, right? You don't need to know how you're going to make it. You don't need to know how it's going to happen. Once you set that goal and start taking action, God will come, sit beside you when it's necessary, push you when it's necessary, pull you when it's necessary. But you will always have the support, even when it doesn't seem that way. You'll always have the support. You'll always have the support that is necessary to help you get to your destination. So know where you are going. Make sure you are going there because that's what your heart says you should do, right? And make sure that you consider all areas of your life when you are setting your goals. I am very passionate about goal setting because of the goals that I have set and because of the vision that I have. And I've spoken to so many different people who have made it big, who have done it, and they did so through goal setting and execution. It's very important that you set your goals and then you execute, because without execution, what's the point? The goal just sits there. okay? And if you're not at that level where you're close to ascension, where you're then you can't achieve that goal through just sitting down there, right? So make sure you have a vision. Make sure that you have a process that you're going to use to get from point A to point B. Now, if you this is something that you struggle with, if you're completely clueless about setting your goals or about what your vision is, I'm hosting a goal setting workshop next week, and then let me not say next week, I think it's the January 14th, and then one again after. So if you saw this video after January 14th, then there will be another goal setting video after that one, after the January 14th video. And then if you miss all of those and you saw this video long after that, then I'm gonna make the recordings of those workshops free, so you can reach out to me to get the recording for free, so that you can have the support you need to get your goals in place so that you can start taking massive action. For me, there are people, I've had one of such people on my Instagram show, and the video is also here on the YouTube channel, but there are people who don't need to set goals. They have a mental picture, a mental map, a mental blueprint of where they want to get to, and they take the steps and it works out for them. If you are like that, then bravo, hats off to you. I know that you can do it, because I've met at least 2 people who does it that way. So yes, you can get there that way too. But if you aren't, if you're disorganized and disoriented and confused, then you need goals. You need to set them, you need to write them down, you need to do all of that stuff, right? And if you're struggling with that, check my workshop out. But if you don't want to check the workshop out, just write down your goals on a daily basis. Write down at least 1 or 2 action steps that you want to take up towards achieving your goal on a daily basis, and just take that step and go from there. It's that simple. So last year, well, 2020, November 2020 or October 31st, 2020 was when I uploaded my first YouTube video. Now, I haven't made it massively on YouTube as yet, but I also have not done a lot of, would you say, marketing my YouTube channel? Yeah, it's marketing. I haven't really marketed my YouTube channel a lot, right? So that's why the channel hasn't taken off as yet, but I have been making the videos and putting them up here. So this year 2022, it's gonna be the year when I get the YouTube channel in front of more people, right? But I've done that. I continuously do this YouTube business, and then I became a life coach and a mentor. I am a speaker in training. I co-host a show, a live TV show called Vol Talks Women Share, with some other women, not Jamaicans, they're American women, and that's been amazing. And I recently I started a show called Conversations with Sharika, that's live on Instagram, and then I take the clips from that and I post it all over social media, and those shows are going to be turned into a podcast, right? The final thing that I want to share with you is I published a book. I became a published author, right? And I have major plans for that book this year. So I'm sure you guys will see videos. I ordered my author copies, and I will make a video when the box comes, opening it and smelling the pages and signing and putting down my own personal copy, because I think it's it's an accomplishment. It's something that I'm proud of, and I look forward to writing more books, because I enjoy writing. Not that my writing is exceptional, but I'm sure it will improve. So but I published my first book and I feel really good about that, and I have orders out, and it's going to be epic. It's going to be amazing. 2022 is going to be an awesome year. I have no doubt about it. So all of this is to say, wouldn't it be awesome if every individual could step in their power, to step into their identity, to become the person that they came here to become? Wouldn't that be amazing? That would be truly amazing. And if you're going to do that, you need a vision. You need more than just a job. You need a vision. Even if you have a job, have a vision too. It's as simple as that. Have a vision, make sure you know what's important to you, set some goals, take actionable steps. Seek guidance. If you need clarity, seek guidance, find a coach, someone like myself or me, but find the things that you need to support you on your journey. And make 2022 your best year yet. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so I hope you found some value in this video. I know I rambled on for quite a while. So I hope you found some value in this video. And again, I wish you a happy and prosperous 2022. There are so many amazing things that you can make happen for you. Don't sit around and wait on anyone else to make that happen for you. Okay, so make it happen for you. It's a new year, it's new possibilities, new ways of thinking. You get to choose. Okay, so I hope there was something, even one thing that I said that was valuable in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Like the video as well, share it with a friend, leave a comment below, tell me what was your best takeaway from this video. Okay, and until next time, have yourself a fabulous rest of week. Enjoy.